Hey friends, welcome back. So one of my favorite snacks is chips and salsa. I can literally eat this every day. And I'm going to show you how I make it in about 5 minutes. So first we're going to start off with 2 cans of fire roasted tomatoes. Any brand is fine. Then we're going to add our garlic. I use about 3 cloves. You can use less, you can use more. And then I use the small can of green chilies, 1 jalapeno, and you can leave the seeds in if you like it spicy, a handful of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And that is it. And go ahead and blend that up. Now I didn't record it, but I did add some lime juice to it. And that is it. 5 minute salsa. And look at it. Look at all that chunkiness in there. It's so good. And as usual, I'll put it in my jar. I don't know how long this will last, but I usually eat it in a week. And there you go, guys. 5 minute salsa. So how about you go ahead and like and subscribe and leave me some comments on what else you'd like to see me make.